Hi there, guys. Our today's video is about wolves. Part 1. Introduction to wolves. Wolves and humans have a complicated relationship. We often vilify the big bad wolf in fiction and real life, but we're also consistently fascinated by these smart, social mammals, and we have not always clashed. Our ancestors even formed an alliance with wild wolves sometimes in the late Pleistocene epoch, eventually giving us the unparalleled friends we now know as dogs. Despite all this history, many people do not understand wolves as well as they think. Domesticated dogs can be very different from their wild relatives, who have not spent millennia learning to love us. And due to the decimation of wild wolves by humans in recent centuries, most people alive today have little or no personal experience with wolves aside from dogs. Widespread myths also distort our view of wolves, from misconceptions about alpha wolves to more harmful misunderstanding about the threat wolves pose to people. Wolves can be dangerous, of course, but attacks on humans are rare, as wolves generally do not see us prey. Wolves, often portrayed as enigmatic creatures of the wild, hold a significant place in both folklore and ecological systems around the world. These majestic canines, scientifically known as Canis lupus, are highly social animals that live and hunt in packs, demonstrating remarkable cooperation and communication within their family units. 1. Physical characteristics. Wolves are robust animals with a strong build adapted for endurance and hunting. They typically have a thick coat of fur that varies in color from white, gray, to shades of brown and black, depending on their habitat and region. Their distinctive facial features include a prominent muzzle, pointed ears, and keen eyesight adapted for hunting in low-light conditions. 2. Habitat and range. Wolves have historically inhabited a diverse range of ecosystems, from forests and tundra to grasslands and deserts. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in a variety of climates and terrains across North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. However, due to habitat loss and human encroachment, their range has diminished significantly in some regions. 3. Social structure. One of the most fascinating aspects of wolf behavior is their complex social structure centered around a hierarchical pack. Packs typically consist of a breeding pair called the alpha male and alpha female, along with their offspring and occasionally other related adults. This social hierarchy helps maintain order within the pack and facilitates cooperative behaviors such as hunting, raising pups, and defending territory. 4. Hunting and diet. Wolves are carnivorous predators known for their hunting prowess and cooperative hunting strategies. Their diet primarily consists of large ungulates, such as deer, moose, and elk, although they are opportunistic feeders and will also consume smaller prey like rodents and birds when available. Wolves are adept at tracking and chasing prey over long distances, relying on teamwork to bring down larger. 5. Communication. Communication is crucial within wolf packs and is facilitated through a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Howling is perhaps the most iconic form of wolf communication. Used to rally pack members, establish territory boundaries, and communicate with neighboring packs over long distances. Other vocalizations include growls, whines, and barks, each serving different purposes within the pack's social dynamics. 6. Conservation status. While wolves have faced significant challenges due to habitat loss, persecution by humans, and competition with human activities such as livestock farming, conservation efforts in recent decades have seen some populations rebound. Species reintroduction programs and legal protections have helped stabilize wolf populations in certain regions, although conservation efforts remain ongoing to ensure their long-term survival. Understanding these fundamental aspects of wolf biology and behavior provides a deeper appreciation for these iconic creatures and their role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. In the next parts, we will delve further into topics such as wolf pack dynamics, their role in the ecosystem, and their cultural significance throughout history. Part 2, Wolf Pack Dynamics and Behavior. Wolves exhibit a complex social structure centered around their pack dynamics, which play a crucial role in their survival and reproduction. Understanding how wolf packs function provides insight into their cooperative behaviors, hunting strategies, and the intricate relationships within the group. 1. Pack structure. A wolf pack is typically led by a dominant breeding pair, known as the alpha male and alpha female. These leaders are usually the oldest and most experienced members of the pack, responsible for making decisions regarding hunting, denning sites, and defending territory. Below them are subordinate wolves, which may include younger siblings or unrelated wolves that have joined the pack. 2. Pack formation and dynamics. Wolf packs are often formed by a monogamous breeding pair that remains together for many years. They are assisted in raising their pups by other pack members, often older offspring or related adults. This cooperative behavior not only ensures the survival of the pack, but also allows younger wolves to learn essential skills such as hunting techniques and social interactions. 3. Reproduction and pup rearing. Breeding typically occurs once, with the alpha female giving birth to a litter of pups in a den. A year, the entire pack participates in raising the pups, providing food and protection while teaching them hunting skills and social behaviors. This communal approach to parenting strengthens the bonds within the pack and increases the chances of survival for the young wolves. 4. Hunting strategies. Wolves are highly efficient predators that use teamwork and coordination to bring down large prey. Hunting is typically conducted by the entire pack, with individuals cooperating to chase, surround, and exhaust their target. Wolves are known for their stamina and persistence in pursuing prey over long distances, utilizing their keen senses of sight, smell, and hearing to track and ambush animals. 5. Territory and communication. Wolf packs defend territories that can range in size depending on factors such as prey availability and pack size. Territories are marked with scent markings such as urine and feces, as well as through vocalizations like howling and barking. These signals not only serve to warn neighboring packs, but also to reinforce the pack's boundaries and maintain social cohesion among its members. 6. Dispersal and new pack formation. Young wolves typically leave their birth pack between 1 to 3 years of age in a process called dispersal. Dispersing wolves may travel long distances to find a mate and establish their own territory or join an existing pack. This dispersal helps prevent inbreeding within packs and promotes genetic diversity among wolf populations. Understanding the dynamics of wolf packs offers a glimpse into the intricate social behaviors and survival strategies that have allowed these animals to thrive in various habitats for thousands of years. In the final part, we will explore the ecological role of wolves, their interactions with other species, and their cultural significance in human societies. Part 3. Ecological role, interactions, and cultural significance of wolves. Wolves play a vital ecological role as apex predators, influencing their habitats in profound ways and maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Beyond their ecological impact, wolves have also left an indelible mark on human culture and folklore across different civilizations. 1. Ecological role. As apex predators, wolves play a crucial role in regulating prey populations such as deer, elk, and moose. By hunting and culling weak or diseased individuals, wolves help maintain the overall health and balance of prey species. This, in turn, can prevent overgrazing and habitat degradation, benefiting a wide array of plant and animal species within their ecosystems. 2. Trophic cascades. The presence or absence of wolves can trigger trophic cascades, where changes in one species' population affect the entire ecosystem. For example, studies in Yellowstone National Park have shown that reintroducing wolves led to a decrease in elk populations, allowing vegetation to recover. This, in turn, benefited other species like beavers, birds, and fish, demonstrating the far-reaching impacts of wolf predation. 3. Interactions with other species. Wolves interact with a variety of species beyond their prey. They may compete with other carnivores, such as cougars and bears, for food, or scavenge from the kills of these larger predators. Wolves also have symbiotic relationships with species like ravens and eagles, which may follow them to feed on leftovers from their kills. For cultural significance, throughout history, wolves have been both feared and revered by humans, inspiring myths, legends, and symbolic meanings across cultures. In some Native American traditions, wolves are seen as teachers or pathfinders, embodying qualities of loyalty, teamwork, and family unity. Similarly, in European folklore, Wolves often symbolize cunning, strength, and the wildness of nature. 5. Conservation and management. The conservation status of wolves varies globally, with some populations facing threats from habitat loss, hunting, and conflicts with humans over livestock predation. Conservation efforts often focus on habitat protection, reintroduction programs, and promoting coexistence between wolves and human communities through measures like livestock protection and compensation for farmers. 6. Human-wolf conflicts. Human-wolf conflicts arise primarily from concerns over livestock predation and competition for game species. Efforts to mitigate these conflicts include non-lethal deterrents, such as electric fencing, livestock guarding dogs, and the use of range riders to monitor and protect livestock herds. Balancing the needs of wolves with those of local communities remains a significant challenge in conservation efforts. In conclusion, wolves are not only fascinating creatures of the wild, but also integral components of healthy ecosystems and cultural narratives worldwide. By understanding and respecting their ecological roles and cultural significance, we can work towards ensuring their survival and coexistence with human communities in the modern world. The end.